Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
What games are popular in your country?
People in my country are crazy about football. You will find most of the youths playing football in the evening. Among the indoor games, people love to play chess and cards most of the time. Finally, computer games are highly popular among the young generation. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.